So we have a bathroom. We have a bathroom. We have aircon. You have an induction stove you can use and a heater and a rice cooker. We have water. The water is refillable for free. Diba, Mom? We have a TV. I'm pretty sure this is a smart TV. We have a refrigerator for all of your good stuff. We have what's it? A family size bed, diba?
Queen size.
A queen size bed with a pullable family size bed under. And then that's it. We have a bathroom you can use. There's heater. There's a heater. There's a duvet. There's a bucket. It's pretty nice. You have a table you can use to eat. 2 chairs. You can ask for more chairs if you want from the